This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix select two objects that are the same shape problem on TikTok Captcha Verification. Follow these easy steps to fix this issue. The first solution is update your TikTok app. Go to your App Store. Search for TikTok. If you see any update available, update the app and check the issue. The second solution is go to your iPhone settings. Tap on General, iPhone storage. Search for TikTok, tap on that. Tap on Offload app again, and then check the issue. The third solution is check your internet working or not. To check your internet, open a browser and open a random website. If the website not working or not loading perfectly, then open your control center and enable airplane mode for 30 seconds and then turn it back off. And you can switch your internet from Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi. Make sure to use a strong internet connection and then check the issue. The last and final solution is uninstall your TikTok application and reinstall it from App Store. And hope any of this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.